Indonesia moving capital city from Jakarta to the city Kalimantan is not good. The capital city is defined as the city where the seat of the central government of a country is located, or where the exclusive legislative and judicial administrative elements are assumed. The existence of a capital city in a country is usually a symbol of the identity of the nation that makes up the country. Either other countries have succeeded in moving their capitals long ago, although there are also failures like with Myanmar died as power like the United States has even moved its capital city many times from Philadelphia, Baltimore, Lancaster, York, Washington, Annapolis, Denton, New York, and now Washington DC. The areas of North Penajam Pasir Agency and Kutai Kartanegara Agency were chosen as the location for the new capital city because they took into account the minimal risk factor for natural disaster that often occur in Indonesia, such as floods, earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruption, and forest fires. In addition, the strategic location gives you access to big cities and relatively complete infrastructure. Your other factor that they are the reason for choosing this region as the new capital.
We all know that Kalimantan Island is a large forest area. If capital city moving to Kalimantan, if the capital city move to Kalimantan, it is possible that there will be a shift in the function of the forest. So, that it will disrupt the function of the forest as the lungs of the world. Not only that, the fund for moving the capital city are very large because they are quite far from Jakarta to Kalimantan. The transfer funds are very vulnerable to occur KKN or corruption, collusion, nepotism, which is only benefit a few parties. However, with the relocation of the capital city, it will create equal outside the island of the Java, and hope that many problems that occur in the city of Jakarta will be solved solely, such as floods, congestion, population, density, and others. Considering the state's finance, the environment, and the constitutional legislation for moving the state's capitals, it seems that it needs to be reconsidered. The relocation of the state's capital should be carried out in a condition where the country economy is stable and well established, when the productivity of a resource-based industry of tradable goods sector is growing well. The relocation of the capital is indeed important but has not become a top priority because there are still many problems that must be resolved. One of which is regarding the welfare of the peoples. The relocation of the capital must also be seen as the main cause and how to effectively deal with it. If the reason is population density, it is undeniable that overcrowding will also occur in the new capital. So, for now, is it not appropriate to move the capital city considering Indonesia's economic condition is not good and the coronavirus is still active in Indonesia?